Welcome to the future of home automation with the ME, ILLUMIN Smart Series controllers and sensors. Introducing the microwave motion sensor, the next step in energy-saving technology. This innovative device uses high-frequency electromagnetic waves at 5.8 GHz to detect motion, ensuring your space is both convenient and energy efficient. Its versatility means it can detect motion through doors, panes of glass, or even thin walls, providing a wide detection field. With a 360 degrees ceiling detection range or a 180 degrees wall detection range, the sensor can be adjusted to suit your needs. Whether it's 5 to 15 meters for walls or 1 to 8 meters for ceilings, you are covered. Adjust the ambient light setting from less than 3 lux for nighttime operation to 2000 lux for daytime use. Customize the time delay from as short as 10 seconds to as long as 12 minutes, giving you complete control over your lighting. Installation is straightforward. Turn off the power. Mount the sensor with screws. Connect the wires. And switch the power back on. Once installed, the sensor activates instantly, providing seamless automation. Safety is paramount. The sensor emits less than 0.2 mW of power, just 1/5000th of a mobile phone's output. Rest assured, it's safe for everyone, including children. Experience the blend of convenience, safety, and energy efficiency with the ME, ILLUMIN Smart Series controllers and sensors. ME, ILLUMIN, lighting up your life intelligently.